Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'm going to show you how to delete a template in Clickup, and whether it's a task template, a list template, or just something that's been sitting in your workspace way too long. The process is actually really simple once you know where to find the template center. So first, head over to the bottom left corner of your Clickup workspace and click on your profile icon. When the menu opens, choose the option that says Templates. That's going to take you into the main template center where ClickUp stores every template you've created or saved. It's all organized for you, so yeah, you just need to look in the right category. Once the template center opens, pick the section where your template lives. It could be inside tasks or lists or even views or docs, depending on what you built earlier. ClickUp sorts everything automatically, so just take a moment and choose the right group. After that, scroll through the templates until you find the one you're trying to delete. You'll see the template name and then a little three-dot menu on the right side. Hover over it and you'll see options like Edit, Duplicate, and of course Delete. Go ahead and click Delete Template. ClickUp will show a confirmation message just to make sure you really want to remove it. This is helpful because once a template is deleted, you won't be able to use it again unless you rebuild it from scratch. When the confirmation pops up, click Delete one more time, and that's it. The template disappears instantly. It won't show up in your list templates or task templates anymore. And nobody on your team will be able to apply it, and that's the full walkthrough on how to delete a template in ClickUp. It's quick, it keeps your workspace clean, and it helps you avoid clutter from old templates you don't use anymore. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out the next ClickUp guide if you want more simple productivity tips.